Looking for the ultimate upgrade to your home security? Meet the Intellibell Wireless Doorbell, the smart doorbell that's taking home security to the next level in 2024. With Intellibell, you'll never miss a visitor or an alert again. It comes with real-time two-way audio, so you can talk to anyone at your doorstep, whether you're home or not. Get instant notifications right on your phone whenever someone's at your door. Plus, with its built-in infrared night vision, you can see everything clearly even in total darkness. And the best part? Intellibell is 100% wireless and super easy to install. No need to worry about complicated wiring. Just charge it, mount it, and you're good to go. It's perfect for keeping an eye on your home, whether you're checking in on elderly family members or making sure the kids are safe. Ready to upgrade your home security with the Intellibell? Click the link in the comments to get yours now.